Hey folks, Aaron from Beansprout here. I have a really lovely 5-string banjo to show you. This one is very similar to the banjo I built for Steve Varney. I think this is a student or a fan of Steve's that ordered this banjo. So it's made of walnut and pistachio. Those are the two main woods. And it's got a 12-inch rim, which is bigger than normal. It's got a brass tone ring, and then it's got Steve's preferred banjo head, which is a fiber skin banjo head. Looks like skin, but it's a synthetic material. So nice straight grain, simple walnut. This is all salvaged from an old piece of furniture. So there's like some nail holes I filled and some dowel holes I filled. Kind of like doing that sort of thing. And the other secondary wood is pistachio. That all comes from orchards in California. Good hard multicolored wood for fretboards, and it darkens and mellows over time. Yeah, steel strings, 12-inch rim. Just sounds and feels good. It's got a good, really long sustain. So that is number 1009. Cheers.